Hey there! So let's talk about a common problem that many VS Code users face. The problem is about creating a key binding that starts with either a comma or semicolon, just like in Vim. Currently, this setup is achieved in the settings.json file, but the goal is to transition all key bindings to keybindings.json. Moving on to the solution. The solution involves using the Chord method for key binding in VS Code. By structuring the key bindings in a specific way, you can emulate the functionality you desire. This method requires defining different key combinations based on when the keys are pressed and released. For example, you can create a chord for pressing comma, releasing it, and then pressing N, or a sequence for pressing comma, then N, and then releasing both keys. Keep in mind that VS Code doesn't have a default way to handle incomplete chord combinations. In summary, we've discussed a clever solution for creating key bindings in VS Code, emulating the Vim style of starting with a comma or semicolon. By utilizing the Chord method and structuring the key bindings effectively, you can achieve the desired functionality. So, give it a try and enhance your coding experience in VS Code. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Happy coding!